Hello kids, let's find some alphabet. Here you can see we have used alphabet. So let's match all the alphabet. First one is A. Let's find A. Where is A? This is A. It will be here. Now find second one. Second one is B. Can you see where is B? B, B, B. Where is B? B, 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 where is B? Can you see? This is B. It will be here. Now find C. C, where is C? C. Find the C. Can you see? Please help me to find the C. Where is the C? A, B, C. This is C. Now find D. You can see it's D. D will be here. Now find E. Where is E? This is E. E will be here. Now find F. Where is F? Please help me to find out the F. Where is the F? F. Where is F? F. Where is the F? Please help me to find out the F. This is F. G. Where is G? G. This is G. Ace. This is A. K. This is K. No. It is lowercase. We need capital letter. Where is K? Where is K? This is K. K will be here. Now find L. This is L. M. This is M. Now find N. Where is the N? O. Now we need O. This is O. P. Now find the P. No. It is lowercase. We need capital letter. P. This is P. Now find Q. This is Q. Now find R. Where is R? This is R. S. No. This is S. T. U. Now find the third. V. W. Where is the W? This is W. X. Y and Z. That's for today. See you in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye.